over here using super robin double knit yarn, that is 100 grams, and it is 100% acrylic, made in England. And all the descriptions are over here, that we are going to use 4mm hook, and all other instructions are also written over here. But I am using 3.5mm hook for this project of mine. And we'll also be needing a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle to weave in the ends. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So over here I'll be making a hat for a 5 years old boy. So there is a size chart whose link I'm going to give into the description box, and by clicking on that link you can get the size chart that I follow for my hats. So when you have the size chart, it is easy for you to make any size of hat you want. So starting with the slip knot, we are going to chain 36. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So I have made over here 36 chain, and according to the size chart, the length of our hat for a 5-year boy or a girl should be 8 inches. So this is my measuring tape, and with this you can see that I'm going to measure, and this will be the length of the hat will be 8 inches, as you all can see. 8 inches. I have not stretched, and if I'm going to stretch it, it is going to, but I'm not stretching it. Without stretching, it's 8 inches. Okay, so moving on. Now what we have to do is that we have to make one more chain, and now into the second chain from the hook I am going to make we are going to make 7 single crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This will be the brim of our hat, but I think I must make one more. So we are going to make one more. So total we made 8 single crochets. Now we are going to start the stitch that we are making for the hat. For that we are going to chain 1, skip a stitch, and into the second chain we are going to make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip a stitch, and into the next make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip, and a single crochet. In this way we are going to continue till the end, and join me back once you have completed this. So I'm here at the end of my chains, and I did chain 1 and a single crochet. Now we are going to chain 1 and turn our work. Now what we have to do, we are going to make one more chain. So this will be count as our first single crochet and chain 1. Now we are going to make a single crochet into the chain 1 space like this. Now we are going to work in the chain 1 spaces. So chain 1, into the chain space we are going to make a single crochet. Chain 1, into the chain 1 space, a single crochet. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever the new video is uploaded. So now see, this is our last chain 1 space, and after that what we have are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 single crochets. Now what we have to do on these 8 single crochets is that we have 2 loops over here. Now we are going to work only into the back loops by doing a single crochet in every back loop of the stitch. So this is the back loop, and in this we are going to make a single crochet. 4 5 6 7, and this is the 8th one. Again chain 1, this won't be counted as our stitch, and now we are going to make 8 single crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So after making these 8 single crochets, we are now going to chain 1 and start our moss stitch, that is chain 1, and into this chain 1 space we are going to make a single crochet. Chain 1 into this space, make a single crochet. Continue this till the end, and same pattern we are going to follow till the width we desired of our hat. So these 2 rows will be continued till the, see, our hat will be, this is the length we want, and we are going to increase the width. So join me once you have completed the width. So see, I have made several rows, and after that I have got my desired width of my hat. So let me show you. It is almost 18 inches, okay, as you all can see, and the length of my hat was 7 inches. So now what we are going to do, we are going to join these 2 ends together, and for that I'm going to leave a long tail to sew over here with the needle. So now I have cut the yarn, and we are going to weave it's totally up to you. If you want to crochet all the way around, you can also crochet over here, but over here I am not crocheting, I am just stitching it together. You just have to go through the stitches. Like this. Now only the ripped part is left, and over here what I am going to do is that I will be taking back loop, and I will be taking the front loop and the back loop of my work, and this will give it a ripped style when I turn it at the right side. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Also click on the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever the new video is uploaded. And thank you so much for liking my work, for appreciating and for the support that you all are giving, because without all of your support it would not have been possible for me. So now see, you can see it looks there is no joint in it. And now what are we going to do is we are going to weave these ends so they are not visible. Remember, neatness is one of the very most important thing whenever you are doing any sort of handmade thing. And if you are going to secure it properly, it is also not going to open, and your finished part will also be very neat and tidy. So we have weaved in several times, and now I am going to cut this yarn. And see, our hat is almost done. Now what we have to do, we have to get this all together, and for this today I am going to show you a star technique. So for that what you have to do is you simply have to weave, simply have to put the thread into the needle and make a knot at the one end. And now we are going to make a star shape. How will this be possible? See, you can start from anywhere you like. We started from here. Now we are going to go over there, and from here, okay, now we are going to go over here. Now over here, and then over here. So as you can see the pattern of the star is formed. Now pull it tightly, pull everything tightly. So you will be having 1 2 3 4. Okay, now what you have to do, again we are going to make a star. For that, start from any part, like this. No, how are we going to make that star? Now over here, and then over here. Over here. And over here. Again a star is formed like this, and pull it. See, everything comes together like this. And our hat is closed. You can make several stitches so that it is secured tightly. Pull this upside down, and now you can see it looks something like this from inside, and it looks nice and tidy from outside as well. Now I'm making over here a pom-pom. For that I have cut this yarn, and now I am going to wind my yarn several times on my fingers. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have wrapped on my fingers for more than 80 times, and now I'm going to keep it like this onto the yarn that I have already cut, and I'm going to tie a knot, very tight knot in the middle, and another knot, secure it. Once you have made it, you simply have to cut. All the loops like this. And also, you can also make a pom-pom maker using. You can also use pom-pom maker to make the pom-pom, and you can also use this easy method. But with that pom-pom maker, you get the perfect look of the pom-pom that we want. Once you have done that, I'm so sorry, it's so messy. Now we are going to trim, and our pom-pom will be ready, and we are going to attach it to our. Now this is my pom-pom and this is my hat, and now what I'm going to do, showing you how to attach this pom-pom to my hat. So what you are going to do is, you are going to take the one end and pass it to any other side like this, then take another part and pass it through another side like this. So now you have total 3 ends over here. First of all, you have to take the 2 ends of pom-pom and make few very tight knots like this. It was so tight that I have just broken the thread. No problem. We are now going to make the knot with the other like this, and see how tightly your pom-pom is attached to the cap. Now what you have to do, again we are going to weave these ends to secure. So this is how it looks from inside, and this is how it looks from outside, and this is what the final look is of our hat. Let me show you by removing all these stuffs that are around, and our moss stitch rib hat is ready with a beautiful pom-pom over here. I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.